Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open up the trunk. Replace your trunk light bulb. It's under here. And go up here, take a flat-bladed screwdriver, push in on it, releases the tab, pulls it right down. And this bulb's gonna be pretty hot, but you can unplug it from here, pull it right out. So you can either leave it unplugged if you don't like to have it running. If the bulb was burnt out, you want to take it right out of here. It's real warm right now. This is a 194 bulb. It should pull straight out, just like that. And replace it with a new one. Oop. Plug it back in. Push it up. It'll snap into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.